Welcome to my channel Marvin Pixels. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to export your PLP file. How to export your PLP file. Let's say you worked on a design in Pixellab and you want to export the file. You want to share it with your friends. You want to share it with your. You want to share it to another phone. So the first step is just let's open our Pixellab app. Okay, let's open our Pixellab app. Let's click on this default here. Okay, next thing, let's say I'll be using this design I made for one of my boss ones in Ski. So let's say I would like to share this project. After saving your project, the first step is saving your project. After saving your project, you can just head over to this my projects right here. Then you can access your projects. Now if you are using I've dropped a video. You can check my channel on how to download Pixellab Pro. Yes, if you are using the normal Pixellab, you won't be able to share your project. If you click on this share icon right here, when you click on it, it will show that it has shared, but you won't be able to see it. So the next step is you're just going to click on share icon. After clicking on the share icon, it's going to save. Now check this out. It brings out something right here now. Okay, it brings out something right here. Let me just click on share and then see. You can see this right here now. That's saved. You just have to notice it. Let me pause and okay, emulated Pixellab Bosiniski22.plp. Bosiniski22.plp. Now I'm just going to head over to my file manager. Okay, I'm going to head over to that place where the stuff saved, where the PLP saved. I'm just going to head over now. Note this: if this stuff can work on, it can work on the normal Pixellab. You have to have a different type of Pixellab, maybe Pixellab Pro, any type. Just it should not be the normal Pixellab. So I'm just going to head over to the Pixellab folder. Now you are going to see presets. Just tap on presets. Now if you check this preset, it is not here. Now let's head over back to our Pixellab. Then you head down. Now there it is. Yes, here is our presets. Here is our presets. Okay, since the presets are already there so let me just delete this. Let me delete this presets. Now to import the presets, you just have to click on this .plp right here. When you click on .plp, it brings out your folder. Then you first head over to the Pixellab folder. Yes, this is Pixellab folder. Let me click on it. Now you can see anywhere you save your preset, that's where it's going to show. So it's already in my Pixellab folder right here. So what I'm just going to do is head over to the Pixellab, then click on Bosiniski 2. Yes, that's what I used to save it. When I click on Bosiniski 2, now you can just open. You can open only, and you can open and add. Well, what do you mean by open only? When you open only, you won't be able to see it in my project, but when you click on open and add, you'll be able to see it in my project. So let's click on open only for first. Now when I click on open only, this is I can now edit it. I can edit the stuff that are there. So when I click on this place, the project is gone. So let's open and add. So you can see what I'm saying. So Boskinski open and add. It takes a little bit time, and after clicking on open and add, it's already automatically added already. It is automatically added right here already. So that's the simple step on how to import your PLP file. Guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I drop videos every day on graphic design tips and tricks, including Photoshop, Pixellab, and anything related to graphic design tips and tricks that will help you upgrade and master your graphic design skills. This has been the end of my tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.